Shannon from Redhead Mom. Today we have the premium shower filter from Pelican Water Systems. Let's talk about some of the benefits of the Pelican shower water filter system. First of all, it filters 96% of chlorine, chloramines, and other synthetic chemicals. Secondly, you get softer skin, softer hair. It reduces skin dryness and flakiness. It reduces the fading of color-treated hair. It eliminates nasty and unpleasant odors from your water. It also transforms your shower into a spa experience, which is pretty cool, right? It helps maintain your shower pressure, and actually it's great for pets too. Let's go ahead and get it installed. For our installation, we're going to need a plumber's wrench, and this is going to help us take off the old shower head and put on the new one. All right, so we're going to twist it off. Now you're going to need some of this plumber's tape. All right, so now we're going to wrap this plumber's tape around before we install the shower head. Okay, now you're going to hand thread it as tight as you can get it till it won't tighten anymore. All right, then you'll want to use the wrench to tighten it. All right, now that we have the water filter installed, we're going to run it so that we get all the carbon and everything out, and you're going to want to run it until it runs clear. So we've got the water all clear now. What you're going to want to do is run it a couple times, and you'll want to run it at the temperature you typically use for a shower and get it all nice and clear coming through there. So our shower filter kit came with this cool little fragrance block. We're going to go ahead and put that in there in a minute. And it also, just FYI, comes with plumber's tape as well, so you don't need to buy that. So next we're going to put on the shower head that came with the filter, and you're just going to twist it on. Pretty easy to do. So next up we're going to tighten it with the plumber's tool, but you don't want to over tighten it. All right, so now we're going to turn it on and see how our shower head works. Good. It also has different shower settings. All you do is twist it, and it'll change the pressure. So high pressure to like a rain and mist type of pressure. And that's how easy it is to install your new Pelican Water Systems Premium Shower Filter.